thing is there, like as you said, the disasters are coming, and who will be there to protect? I'm not saying that there should not be any of the protector. I'm saying that there should not be any of the soldier who is competing there. Okay, so if you're having the protectors who are helping you in the disaster or something like this, then yes, it's a good option. But having a soldier's army, like you just see that if you want to go from Padao to Hazira, do you need any of the soldier? But there is boundary. Yes, we say that is Hazira and this block is the Padao, or that is Fulbagh. So we don't need any army because we know that we all are friends. We know that we all are brothers and sisters.
But I think police station and Thana are also the team of member of the team of soldiers.
No. So, police is not the member of the soldiers. Soldier is a different thing. Look, soldier is a competition.
Way of the protect. Way of the protector.
Soldier is a competition. Soldier is a competition, but not the police. Yeah, police sometimes happens like American police is bad, Indian police, but I'm talking about the soldiers are the competition. Like I have the biggest power, I will attack. The person who has the biggest power, who's going to attack in any of the way. In any of the way. That's not the point. Maybe I think America is having the biggest power of the soldier.
China. First America, second China, third India.
Third India. Yeah. So as we are saying that we are all are very good friends. But if you see actually, just see that like observe everything. You see Adidas in India, you see Puma in India, you see many of the American companies in India. Where the money is going right now? To America. Yeah. So what they are doing actually, they are just getting all the money out from your India, and they are gonna attack one day. So why they are gonna attack one day? Because they are having the biggest soldiers. Yes. So if you just lose all the soldiers, then yes, money will go here and there, but you're gonna proceed. You're not gonna be attacked. You are safe. Why you are safe? Look, we both are here. Okay, we both are neighbors. Just think about it. I have a weapon, then, and you got to know that I have a weapon. I have a knife or any of the gun. Then the second day, you will go and buy a weapon. Why? Because the person who is having the sitting there is having the weapon. If I do not have any weapon, will you go and purchase the weapon? No, yes. You will not.
Yes. If I want to buy a weapon, so I have.
What I'm saying is, if I do not, we both are the neighbors. If I do not have any weapon, then will you go and buy a weapon? No, you won't.
There is no relation because you.
No. You just give me the answer.
Firstly, what happened? Firstly, what happened? If you are talking about the borders. Right between India and Pakistan borders, very near, very close to in between both. Because I have seen, because they're very close to India and Pakistan border, I have seen already. Yeah. So, but even then, you are sitting like as a friends. But when the when the Indian soldiers they try to enter the Pakistan border, they kill the thing. Quick, they don't think so like that.
Why?
They don't mercy at him. So this is, I think, you're right.
I just want to answer is what's the meaning of border here? The meaning of border is army. Yes, if there is no army, then there will be no any border. I'm just saying this. Like we do not have any army between the Fulbagh and Hazira. That's why there is no war between them.
There is no need of the Fulbagh and Hazira.
So there is no need in this world.
There is no need. Actually, there is a different kind of the place. Right? Police. Why police is the made over there? Police is the
police is needed.
Police is protect for the local people. Right? But army, if you are talking about army, the protect for the like other countries, like a Pakistan, like a China. Right? The army is ready to fight with them. Right? Army will not come here to fight the local people.
We are training our the youth to fight with others. Okay, and the second thing is that we all are humans. The Chinese people are not the animals. We all are human. The Pakistanis are not animals. So if the Fulbagh people and Hazira people are humans, then why not the Chinese people or Pakistan people and Indian people are the humans?
Actually, reason is that both are this. Firstly, if you are talking about the China is a very greedy country, as you know, as everyone knows very well about the China. The China is trying to our Indian properties. It is the properties of the India. It's the rights of the India, but he's trying to get the capture of the occupied. So that's why. That's the reason there are so many soldiers. Our Indian soldiers, they are keeping the border. They are standing over the border. They watch out the day and night. If any country they try to, it's okay. There now he already has China already has occupied the Indians' land properties. But even then, India is a very poor, very peaceful country. He never interest. But day by day is right. He trying to occupy it. So of course, this is I think it's not good. That's why.
What I'm saying is there. What I have studied from the beginning when I was a child, that this universe is not anyone's rights. So no one can purchase this or buy this at that land. Okay, but yeah, concept is here. So everybody is just doing this. So no one has any of the power or any of the right. I would say that no one has any of the right to purchase any of the occupy any of the land. But we have this much mind to not to increase the population and not to increase the crisis, the wars and battles. We are having the wars because we have weapons. So the another one will also buy a weapon. If there is no any weapon in the world, I don't think so there will be any of the fight will rise.
No, it's suppose if we have no weapons. Suppose now India is a powerful country, as we know. India is the very last to about the nuclear weapons. Where Pakistan also has more than nuclear weapons compared to the India. But India is a very dearful country. And if you are talking about the Indian Navy, Army, Air Force, there are so many armies there. They're very powerful compared to the Pakistan, or I think China. I'm not talking about the China. But even then, he is not less to the China also. Yeah. But somebody is, for example, right? Firstly, India never interact to anyone. Yeah. Right, but even then in the Pakistan, right? If you are talking about the Kashmir, the Pakistan continues is sending the terrorists, right? The Pakistan continues is sending the terrorists in India to blast the everywhere, because there are number of the people they keep the terrorists. Their aim is that blast and kill the Indian people. But even then, somebody is beating you. For example, somebody is beating you. Can you tolerate these things? How long will you tolerate? You cannot tolerate it for a long time. Of course, you will have to reply of that things. So same thing is happening.
I'm just saying that you have two child. Okay, one is little like angry or something like this, little violent, and another one is very like nice way and just very okay. So what would you do there? You will try to explain that person who is aggressive that please be like behave nicely. Okay, you will try to make everything well, not to give that one person that weapon and this one person also weapon that now you protect yourself. And that person is doing bad, you kill them.
No. Actually, reason is that we have been actually in India. Right? India has been, we can say, continues the making him explain. Or in the Pakistan, many our Indian prime ministers.
Really like,
if you are talking about the Atal Bihari Vajpayee, right? He was the prime minister of India. At that time, he went to the Pakistan to make it explain about right.
What I really feel like controller is there is a controller of all the nations. What I really feel like, and that one is creating the war also, and that one is creating and trying to show that they are protecting us. That UNO something, whatever. I just don't remember, but I know that they are the controllers. As the agreement and all we have signed about, like if you want to be the member or something, yes, there are all the crisis going on. So why are they not stopping this all?
Actually, India is the right place. That's why the number of the country they are ready to always the favor of the India. If you are talking about the Japan, if the Japan is the favor of India. If you are talking about the America is the favor of the India, and Russia, Israel. There are so many countries because in India is the right place. That's why India is never interested to the other countries.
I just said that.
That's the reason. Let me complete, please. Let me complete. That's the reason. India is that's why India is right good. No? That's why most of the countries they are favoring of India. So this is I think main thing is that.
I said that if they are controlling, then why they are not stopping the wars? I just said this.
No, it's okay. You are saying.
Everyone has written that agreement, then why they are not like following that agreement?
Pakistan and China is also a enemy for India. They are China is a so many population and lack of land. It is a main reason of day by day increasing stress into country India and China, and Pakistan is a why do create a war of Kargil Yuddh? Because POK is one of problem in Pakistan is occupied Kashmir is a main reason of Pakistan capturing our land and create a terrorist attack in India, and India cannot progress, and two nations are also thinking about India cannot progress. But sir said one nation and one country cannot possible in our world, because the many person many thinking just like yes, countries, and Israel is also around so many terrorist countries, and Syria is an example of facing a terrorist attack, and Syria cannot progress, and every year one and two attack in Syria is also create terrorist, and terrorist man. What is the reason of a terrorist attack for always country? Because country is a, because is increase a this is strength, but India is a every country to strengthen the army. That's it.
Sir said in every lecture कि soldiers creates a war. For example, कि I want to capture your house. So what will happen? Protect that, or if you like you pacifist, so you agreement कि you can now capture our house.
See, our every door in our house, it is not locked except the main door. So you need to have a strong locking system at your main door, right? That is your army. But internally in our home, we have opened the door, right? So that people, they could live and walk anywhere freely and comfortably. What kind of society, what kind of families we have? We need to have violence, and we need to have peace in our family. If everybody tries to become a soldier, right? So it will not be very good option for us, and everybody should be decent and good human beings. Doctors are more polite by the nature, very much dedicated toward the work, although discipline is there at both of the ends, army and doctors and medicals, because discipline is mandatory to become a doctor and to become a soldier. So discipline is a thing when we want to progress whatsoever the work is, right? Soldiers are helping the country to be protected from any enemy outside, and so do as we are serving. The way and the service is different, and doctor service is different, right? They are also protecting the life, and doctors are always protecting the life. But you know, our large portion of the defense money that is invested and allotted to army just to protect ourselves from many attacks, and this, if we have 12 lakhs of soldiers army, so it can be reduced by 6 lakhs, 8 lakhs, whatever the amount of money is left, we can just put and invest this amount in improving the situation of India. Education is lacking, healthcare is lacking. You know, like up to the 5 years, children, they died because of the problem of the malnutrition in India. Before reaching to the age of 5 years, 60 or 70% of the children died, and 45%, and this is the figure in India, almost 45 to 50% of the Indian women at the time of giving a birth to a baby, they die, and they have a scarcity of the hemoglobin and iron, right? Many of the issues are there. So what India we are expecting to have in future? Healthy India. So this health system, that should be improvised. Our health system, it is not that advanced, although immunity power is very good of ours, because of we have a natural God gift of being geographically adaptation, right? We have this all. So Indians are a major favors, right, to do the manual act. Therefore, like, we are protected from many of the issues or the diseases which are coming through the lifestyle we have and through the atmosphere we have. So like protecting ourselves from the diseases, it has become a major cause now. Although like it is said, I do agree with that, and if any work which is not done by anyone, call the police. If police fails, call paramilitary soldiers. If they fail, call CRPF. If they fail, call BSF. If everything else fails, call Indian Army. If any work which is not done by Indian Army, even except the God, nothing is there, nobody is there to accomplish it. Fine. So army, it's very important institution, just protect the sovereignty of any nation and to protect it from the soldiers. If we feel protect, see, peace is always lies under the swords. If you don't have your strong swords, so like you cannot be peaceful and you cannot focus on your development. So the soldiers are very good, but we don't need them always. Don't need them always. But securing the border, this is the one thing. But you know, CRPF or this, like we have 12 and 14 lakhs of the soldier army. We actually are investing a lot of money that can be utilized in progressing. Education, this is the problem. Here in India, you say 67% or 68% of your literacy level. If you know how to sign, you are literate in the eyes of the government. Beside that, you don't know anything. So education is there, health care is there, and sanitization is there. So there are many issues are still unsolved. So you need to focus and invest your money in this.
Investing money on organic foods like vegetables, if
Exactly.
you eat them, then there is no need of any of. So we are spending a lot of the money and leaving all the things. It is like you are having a disease, but you are protecting from others. That nobody just disease you, but inside you are dying.
It is just like people, they have tuberculosis and they are putting the gun inside. And your enemy is inside you and it is killing you every day.
Sir, I say that both are important and important role of important place. If we will reduce our army, as you said, so and Pakistan and China attacked on us and captured us, I mean, so what will happen?
As we know, if you are talking about the Indian doctors, actually Indian doctor, as we know, what's the condition of an Indian doctor? Indian leaders also that don't faith, they don't believe, they don't trust Indian doctors, as we know. Let me complete, please. Firstly, you know what happened if you are talking about the big guns? Yeah, big guns, actually they never trust of Indian doctors. If you are talking about Shah Rukh Khan, if you are talking about the Yuvraj Singh when he was suffering from the cancer. Now, I'm talking about the Yuvraj Singh when he was suffering from the cancer. Directly, actually, he went to the America to get the treatment. Yeah, now he is recover very soon because right. Second one, if you are talking about the leaders, Indian leaders, right? They say is our Indian doctor is a good, but why they go to the out of country? Why they go to America and Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia? Because why they go to? Because they know very well. And if you are right, if you are talking about when you compare between America and Indian doctors, of course Indian doctor is a more high compared to the Indian doctor. Because Indian doctors, it's okay, it's fine, but not well, right? They are not sensible. I'm talking about the I think you may have seen or you may have heard also, right? About Indian country, what the Indians hospitals, government hospital, it is very worst conditions, right? I think I have seen many patients. They are being right. They are restless by the pain, but even they're calling the doctors. Doctors they are very busy over the phone. If you are talking about the Indian nurse, they are very busy over the talking, but they don't watch out. So what's the condition here? They are not paying attention. They are not really. They are not giving the duty at the right way. I think this is not fair.
You will say something? I want to give a reply.
Maintain peace.
Okay, well, I want to give a reply. This is also because of the army. Why? Because we are spending a lot of money on the army. None of the money we are spending on the government hospitals and the doctors. We are lack of I think 11,000 doctors in India. Why why there is legacy? Because there is no money in a country. There's no money in country to spend on doctors. So if we stop investing money on the army, like that amount of the money I'm not talking about only India, I'm talking about the world. I always see that. So if you stop investing money on armies, then yes, you can go properly on the food and the doctors. So this is also a problem of the army.
No, if you are talking about the conditions. Actually, last 10 years ago, right now with the government hospitals, the condition is well. Yeah, but even then that time there was no X-ray, or that time there was no we can say ultrasound machines were available. But right now, you can see, and the GH hospital is the biggest hospital in Gwalior. But even then, there all kinds of the machines are available over there. But even then, their doctors are not listening. Right? Doctors are not they are not giving the duty on the time. Yes, they are very careless. So right, many people, I have seen many person also, they're wandering here and there for get the report or what right they want to do ultrasound, X-ray. They are sending, go here, go there. So they are very fed up of the doctors. People are very fed up because of they are not giving the duty also right way.
Sir, it is because of India is having 135 crores of population, and over 350% we have one doctor. So instead of raising the population of the soldiers, we need to focus to make more doctors. So like everybody will have the proper benefits of the health, and everybody should be healthy. So we have less doctors, we have less staff of the nurses. So we need to raise them and we need to give them job. Everybody cannot be a soldiers, but doing courses like everybody can like protect others' life as well. Nurses, compounders, doctors. So we need to more focus just to create some more medical colleges in India, so that we could give a better health to Indians, right? And anybody who's coming from outside as well. India is a hub where whole world is traveling, right? So like instead of increasing the population of the soldiers, and instead of buying expensive weapon and the jets from any other nation, because it requires 16,000 crore rupees is the expense when you buy one Rafale. And like this money that can be invested in making a building and just to create a medical college in that. So like increasing the population of the doctor, that may be a solution, because we are not every day fighting to our enemies. Increasing the population of the soldiers, it is always good to have more number of doctors and the nurses, so everybody could have the proper facilities of the medical.
Sir, as you know, if you are talking about the populations, right? Populations, the Indian population, if you are talking about the China population, is a very large populations compared than India. But even then, there are good facilities, right? It's a good condition of the doctors, and there are so many we can say hospitals also there. But there medicines are given and the properly or right properly there, that they are as patients, they will not have to face the more and more problem compared to the India. So if you are talking about the population, there are more big population, but even then everything is going on very smoothly.
Sir, it is going on very smoothly because of they have money in their banks. China, it is a capitalistic economy and their business is spread across the world. China's economy, that is basically is very much stronger than Indian's economy. They have money, therefore they are able to create a large setup. So China is focusing not on the army. Their army is PLA, right, which is controlled by the Chinese Communist Party. So like they are doing the business all over the world, but how many Indian companies, although we are very proud of having Indian companies like Tata, Infosys, right, TCS, Wipro, these companies are working. So we need to economically make ourselves very sound. So like we should have good money and we could create a system and better system than China. So Chinese economy, it is running smoothly because of they have money. And how should we focus to make more money to create businesses? If we keep investing our money and protecting ourselves from our soldiers, and those capitalistic nations also don't want us to become a very economically sound, because of India will be a superpower that will be a threat of many other countries too. First, we should economically make ourselves sound. If we have money in our pocket, every nation in this world will listen to us. And we can create a smooth system. We may have the good education, good doctors, good technology as well. We are talking about just to protect the soldiers to be died, right? We can create a robot and we can have the great system of virtual army at our border if we have money in our pocket too. So we can do this. Still, we need to focus on the more businesses and the money. Let the money flourish in India.
What's more is happening here in India is that we are teaching our children to compete with each other. Yes, like I have seen many times in our schools. like that person, the parents are saying like you should be better than this boy, you should be better than this boy, you should come first in the class, and so we are creating a competition and the fight.
It me to be jungles and mountains and other. It is very temperature high and low. Soldier life is very risk life. Mostly soldier belong to 40 and 50% Wind and Morena. and
Yes, continue please.
This side, this side.
and best soldier Wind Morena by Pansing Tomar is best movie.
Yes. Pansing Tomar is a role model.
Role model.
Yes.
He wasn't a soldier.
He was a soldier.
Yes, sir.
He was a police cop.
He wasn't a soldier.
Condition of Indian hospitals are so private as a most only, but if a case of any emergency case like a heart attack and accidental case, private hospital can charge so much money, and condition of a government hospital worst and not provide a X-ray machine and useful thing like related to diseases like X-ray and ultrasound is also and a private hospital is a main thing. You cannot charge up money. Doctor cannot face and check patient what is the condition.
Doctors protect us from many diseases, fever and cancer, all major diseases, and there is no doctors. Millions of people will be killed every day by diseases.
Who speak that maintain peace, that India wants to maintain peace, but his enemy don't allow him to maintain peace.
Duration of the lockdown. A case of it, not only in India. In case of Gwalior, a doctor is left without any disease and without any reason in a
In the expectation of money.
in the expectation of money. Doctor left a kidney of 139 patient without reason, and they are
Selling light.
selling kidney black market.
Yeah.